Hello, in this video we are going to look at control registers. We'll be implementing them later on in this series. So there are, there's a 32-bit instruction pointer register and a 32-bit flags register, and both of them which are mathematical calculations, and you'll need to change the status of the actual flags in, when we are comparing and for comparing strings. So when the direction flag is 0, the string operation basically takes left to right, and when it's 1, it does it the other way around. So the interrupt flag, this basically handles whether whether there's external things interrupting our CPU, such as keyboard input, for example. And it also disables external interrupt as well when it's 0, and it enables it when it's 1, so we can have that flexibility if we want to be able to allow an external device to interrupt the CPU. So the trap flag, this basically allows us to set the operation of the processor in a single step mode, and this means the debug program we use to actually set the trap flag, so we could actually step through the execution one instruction at a time. Next, we have a sign flag, and this basically shows the sign of that have been carried out. Anything that's not 0, so a non-zero result, clears the flag and that sets it to 0, and a 0 result sets it to 1. Next, we have the auxiliary carry flag, and this, essentially contains the carry from, bit 3 to bit 4, after an arithmetic operation. Operation, and if we have an odd number of single bits, video